Are you exploring Madrid on a tight budget? Well, stay tuned. I've got 10 free things that you can check out coming up. So you're finally going to Madrid, which is awesome, but it costs a lot of money to go to Europe. So I'm going to share 10 free things that you can explore in Madrid to help you get more bang for your buck. Welcome to the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and on this channel, I share travel planning tips, vlogs, recommendations, and reviews from all the places that I've been. And in today's video, I'm going to help you travel on a budget. Madrid is an awesome city, but anytime you go on vacation to a foreign country, it costs a lot of money just to get there. So once you are at your destination, you want to explore as much as you can and stretch that dollar further. So here's 10 free things that you can do in Madrid. Number 1, go visit the Atocha train station. Now this sounds like a crazy idea, right? Like who wants to waste their time at a train station? But the Atocha station is actually really cool. It has an entire tropical rainforest in the center of it and is a great stop on your trip, and it's completely free. All right, number 2, if you are there on a Sunday and want to go people watching and see it at its best, go visit El Rastro. It is the largest flea market in all of Europe, and it gives you tons of people watching opportunities. Plus, if you're really good at window shopping, this is a great place to do it. Stroll up and down the boulevard. Keep in mind it is going to be pretty packed, but it gives you a great way to spend a few hours just browsing the different stalls where you can see everything and anything. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end where I share my number 1 free item to go see. Coming in at number 3 is Buen Retiro Park. This expansive park in Madrid is wonderful to go relax in and explore. You could spend a whole day here if you had the time to do so. There is the Crystal Palace, the large, beautiful pond area, and you could sit there, people watch. There's street performers, street cafes, you name it. There's a ton to see and do there. And like I said, you could spend an entire day just exploring this one park. Okay, next is Gran Via. Go wander up and down Gran Via for some world-class shopping. Not to mention, it has some really unique architecture along the way. And coming in next is a bonus for you, because if you head to El Corte Inglés and head up to the gourmet experience there, it gives you a wonderful sweeping view of all of Gran Via where you can take some great pictures before you get on to your next free place. All right, next are the museums. Now, the museums normally cost money. There are 3 major ones. There's Reina Sofia, there is Prado, and there is the Thyssen. All of these museums, yes, they do cost money to enter and they're not cheap, but they do also all offer free hours to visit. Now, this is usually in the evening for most of them, and it's not every day of the week, but I'll put the link below so you can check out and see if it works into your itinerary, and then you can visit these world-class museums as well. Next is the Sabatini Gardens. The Sabatini Gardens are located right next to the Royal Palace, and there is free entry. These are beautiful manicured gardens with fountains and statues and benches and places to sit and relax and people watch. It is a beautiful garden to just wander through, relax, take that little afternoon siesta, but the best part is it's free. If you're done relaxing and want to get to the heart of the action, then go visit Puerto del Sol. This is literally the heart of the city. It is where Kilometro Cero is. There are tons of street performers, street vendors, as well as the very adorable bear that is climbing the strawberry tree statue right there in the square. This place is always abuzz no matter what the time of day or night, and is a beautiful, great spot to spend an afternoon, and best of all, you guessed it, it's free. Another great square that's bustling with activity is Plaza Mayor. Plaza Mayor has some very historic buildings that surround it. It's surrounded by shops, restaurants, and in the heart of the plaza, there are constantly street vendors as well as street performers. There's usually some art exhibits scattered about the square as well. So there's always something going on there, and it's a great place to visit. All right, so my last one, I told you I would save it for last. My number one free thing to do in Madrid is go visit Templo de Dabi. This is an Egyptian temple that was moved stone by stone as a gift to the people of Spain from the people of Egypt. It's a really cool thing, but it is kind of odd that it's there in Madrid because it obviously doesn't go with any of the other architecture. It's placed up high up on this hill overlooking the entire city and is really the best place to catch the sunset. And again, it's free. Now you have some free stuff to do and go and explore while you are in Madrid. Let me know what you've done. Put it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up for me. You can also follow along on my entire series of Madrid right here. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. I have videos that come out every single week and you don't want to miss a thing. Thanks again for watching the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.